Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you what all I got from Bangkok. So I recently went to my Thailand trip a week ago, and I was there in Bangkok for 2 days, and I was sure that I had to go to Platinum Mall and the Siam outlet mall. I reached and checked in, it started raining, so I had very little time to shop. I got to Platinum Mall a little late, and when I was there the shops were about to get closed, so I didn't have much time. But anyway, so the first thing that I got from Platinum Mall is what I'm wearing right now. So this is the first purchase that I did in Platinum Mall, and it's a basic cord set. So I'm someone who's very much into oversized clothing, especially in some. The fabric is very nice. I think it's cotton linen, so it's very soft. और इसका थोड़ा baggy fit है, पीछे से it's quite long, आगे से it's short. So the second thing I got was this linen dress. It's a blue dress. It goes a little below the knees, and it's a straight linen dress, very basic, but I really like the color and the fabric. It's really good. Then वहाँ first floor पे चढ़ते ही there was this shop जो accessories sell कर रहे थे for flat 20 baht, which is like 50 rupees, 50 INR, और हर accessory उनकी 20 baht की थी. But because मेरे पास time नहीं था तो I couldn't explore much. But मुझे सामने ही एक ये gold heart studs दिख गए थे, so I got it. That's all I got from Platinum Mall. I know कुछ भी नहीं था ये, क्योंकि मेरे पास time ही नहीं था. Next day was the Siam outlet mall. So the first thing that I got was this bag from Carl. It's a cute black bag, और इसकी यहाँ strap पर भी ऐसे Carl लिखा हुआ है, and I think it comes with a sling. मैंने अभी तक ये यूज़ भी नहीं करा है. Yes, it does. So ये actually shoulder bag भी बन जाएगा with this chain, and with this sling it's also a crossbody bag, and it comes with a dust bag, of course. So this was my first purchase, and I also got one top from Carl, a basic black top. This is the top that I got from Carl, a black basic top. My next purchase was from Marc Jacobs. This is the dust bag, and ये मैं use कर चुकी हूँ. And this is the bag that I got, और इसके पीछे ऐसे branding हो रखी है Marc Jacobs. And this is a shoulder bag, like a shoulder strap, but it also comes with a strap for the crossbody, and it's a white strap जिसपे all over branding कर रखी है again. Yeah, ऐसे all over branding हो रखी है Marc Jacobs की. I really like the flap of it, how it looks as a shoulder bag. ये strap है for the crossbody thing, and yeah. So the last bag that I got was from Bimbelola. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this brand. I got this basic beige color, bag. इसकी यहाँ पे branding हो रखी है Bimbelola, and it comes with this chain. So it comes with this chain ऐसे shoulder bag के लिए, and it also comes with a strap for the crossbody bag, and it's ये बैग है for everyday rough and tough use के लिए. ये crossbody bag, it comes with a strap. This is how the strap looks like, और इसकी यहाँ पर buckle पर भी branding हो रखी है. दिखने में it's a very average size sling, but it fits a lot more things than your regular sling bags because it's very spacious for a size like this. और Bimbelola पे कुछ ऐसा ऑफर चल रहा था कि already bag was on 60%, but if you get two things तो on top you'll get 15%. तो मैंने बस वो 15% अवेल करने के लिए आई गॉट दिस रिंग दैट आई एम वेयरिंग. इट्स रिटन Pimbalola ओवर here in the center, and this is how it looks like. So next I went to Michael Kors and got one t-shirt from there. It's a basic white t-shirt and the Kors is written over it. I thought it would look really good with a denim skirt maybe or shorts, I don't know, we'll see. And ये actually men's section से है, so I got it from men's section. Next up I went to Adidas. This top, इसके नीचे I really like this netted detailing. The second thing, I'm really happy with this purchase. मैं ये पहन भी चुकी हूँ and it really looks good. It's this basic dress. I really like the color and it's got these stripes, the Adidas stripes on the sides, and it's knee length, I think. So the last thing that I got was a dress again from Fred Perry. So this is the dress and it covers your knees, so that's the length, but I really like the color and it's a shirt dress, a polo dress. So yeah, that's all I got from Siam. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.